If you're just joining us, it is still your authoritative business radio, Broad Street Radio. My name still remains Charles Farcroa, and we are looking at health and wellness, and a very important topic we'll be talking about. Okay, I wish I had a dentist to explain this to us, but we are going to see what we can do. Maybe in subsequent show, we'll try and get a dentist to talk to us. The topic today is oral hygiene in the workplace. You know, first of all, let us begin to say, when we say oral hygiene, what are we talking about? Okay, somebody will say it's to brush your teeth. That is oral hygiene. I'm sure it goes beyond that. But let's look at and we're talking of health of your buccal cavity, that is your mouth, because it can affect so many other things. Imagine yourself, going to a presentation in the workplace and you have not really taken care of your oral hygiene. It could become embarrassing, and at the same time, not only embarrassing to you, it can also affect other people who are there to listen to your presentation. So we always advise that you take care of your oral hygiene very, very well. And if there is a need, you can see your dentist. So what are the importance of oral hygiene in the workplace? Because some person will be saying, how does that relate to the workplace? It does a lot. In fact, I've seen a practical example where a particular secretary, the oral hygiene was offensive. Let me use that word. And the manager couldn't help it. And each time she's talking, getting close to him, there were a lot of moves here and there, and even affecting those who have come for the meeting, and they were not productive. Okay, so the manager had to really make an announcement that please, they are not trying to embarrass anybody, but let people take care of their oral hygiene. But it does not need to stop there. You need to have invited a dentist to come to that office and explain to them, so let them see the relationship between their oral hygiene and, of course, productivity in the workplace. So there is the importance of oral hygiene. It boosts employees' confidence and self-esteem. Imagine if your oral hygiene is something to write home about, then of course that will affect your self-confidence and your self-esteem. It enhances overall health and well-being. If you have problems with your oral health, it might be an manifestation of other hidden illness that you might have. Reduces absenteeism and presenteeism due to oral health issues. Yes, if you have oral health issues, there are times maybe you want to go and take off a tooth and all that. That can affect how you be able to come to work or not come to work. And even when you come to work, it might affect how you are going to, that's your productivity. So it improves productivity and job performance. So those are some of the importance of oral hygiene in the workplace, and that is why we're emphasizing that people should take their oral hygiene very seriously. The advice is brush your mouth twice a day, in the morning and of course in the evening, and of course some people even have some mouthwash and some other prescribed fluoride product that they can use to give themselves fresh breath. But I'm saying if you want to use any medication concerning oral hygiene, please talk to a dentist or a dental nurse. Common oral health issues in the workplace: tooth decay and cavities, gum diseases and periodontitis, bad breath, that is halitosis, dry mouth, and of course tooth sensitivity. These are some of the common oral health issues. Factors contributing to the poor oral hygiene in the workplace: lack of access to dental care. Like I said, your oral health is not just brushing your mouth. From time to time, you need to see a dentist. Poor diet and nutrition. I can't imagine somebody who eats so late, you know, in the night and just go and sleep. So poor diet and nutrition can also affect your oral health. Inadequate oral hygiene practices. Yes, maybe you don't brush your mouth early in the morning and you just rush off to work like that, that can also have some effect. Even stress and anxiety can affect your oral hygiene. Smoking, tobacco. Smoking and tobacco use. Of course, we don't even need to discuss that. When you see somebody who smoke, and they use tobacco, you will see the effects, how it's going to maybe decolorate their tooth, and all that. So these are some of the factors that can contribute to poor oral hygiene in the workplace. So what are the strategies for promoting oral hygiene in the workplace? Because if we don't make use of these strategies, we will see that it is going to affect productivity in the workplace. So the strategies: one, provide access to dental care and insurance. Provide that care. You can invite a dentist to the office, give them lecture, let them understand, and of course, you can even provide it. Yes, there is nothing wrong with that. You have a restroom. People can go there. You can also keep some of those fluoride products, as the case may be, as advised by the dentist. It can be used, in the workplace. So provide access to dental care. Offer oral health education and awareness program, bringing the dentist to the workplace and explaining to them. Encourage regular dental checkup and cleaning. Yes, you need to check. In fact, we've been told that you are not expected to even use your toothbrush more than a month. Yes. But you see some of us, we use one toothbrush for 6 months. Okay. And there are a lot of dental products, dental oral products that you can purchase. But my advice is always been seek the advice of a dentist. Promote healthy snack and beverages. Yes, there are certain type of food that you eat, even certain type of illness that you will see it manifesting in form of halitosis, bad breath. Support a smoke-free, tobacco-free workplace policy. Support so that people should not smoke or use tobacco. Okay, so support those kind of programs. So workplace oral health programs initiative. How can the human resource people, what are the things they can do? Dental screening and risk assessment programs. When you are trying to recruit as part of the medical checkup, their dental health should also be looked into. Fluoride mouth rinse and varnish programs. Like I said, you can also have that in the workplace. Oral health workshops and seminars. Dental insurance and of course reimbursement programs. Employees wellness program incorporating oral health. I've seen that in most employees wellness program, they forget about oral health. But it is also very, very important. It's an integral part of your overall health. Okay? So please, HRO people, ensure that any health and wellness program you want to adopt you want to introduce in your workplace, ensure that you have some element of oral health. You can also use technology and innovation in workplace oral health, teledentistry, and virtual dental consultation. If the dentist cannot come physically to the workplace, you can do that by the telemedicine, where the dentist can be somewhere and virtually, demonstrate and talk to the workers. Artificial intelligence powered oral health analytics is also being introduced in workplaces today. Then mobile oral health apps and platforms where your workers can go into and get advice. In-office dental care and treatment. Once in a while, the dentist can come around to the office and begin to, just as you invite the, what do you call them? These eye specialists, they come and do eye checks, eye tests in the workplace. You can also invite the dentist to come and do those kind of tests also for oral health. Personalized oral health coaching and guidance. You need to encourage the workers to take their oral health seriously, because don't say it is their personal issue, because we have seen just a mere tooth decay has made a worker to remain in the hospital for a very long time, and that is affecting productivity in the office. Okay, and of course the other embarrassing part, when you have that kind of foul smell, odor, halitosis in the workplace, it can discourage so many people. We know that this will come with a lot of challenges. So what are some of the challenges and limitations in implementing workplace oral health program? Cost and budget constraint. Yes, they tell us money is not ever enough. Limited access to dental care and specialists. Employees' engagement and participation. Cultural and linguistic barriers. Measuring program effectiveness. That is the return on investment. Employers will say, we have spent all these. Oral health should not be treated in isolation. You should have an holistic health wellness program for your workers. So oral health should just be an integral part of it. So at the same time as you're looking at oral health, you're also looking at other aspects of the worker. So best practices for implementing and sustaining workplace oral health program. Conduct need assessment and risk analysis. When you're onboarding them to join you, do that as part of your needs analysis. Develop clear programs, goals, and objectives. Engage employees and stakeholders in program planning. Provide ongoing education and support. Monitor and evaluate program effectiveness. A very good smile from a worker in the workplace can encourage other workers to improve on their productivity. And once the workers' productivity has increased, it will translate to profitability for the organization, and at the same time creating wealth for both the employer, the employee, the government, because everybody will smile at the end of the day. So your oral health, your oral hygiene is very, very important. Our mouth has been given to us for us to speak. And when we open our mouth, people should not run away from us. Instead, they should be openly and willing to listen to us, because it's a fresh breath that is coming out. Thank you.